The U.S. used the L3Harris Arabian Fox unmanned boat to escort a group of warships through the Strait of Hormuz, which connects the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. This is where Iran frequently stages provocations, fires on, and attempts to seize oil tankers. The Arleigh Burke-class destroyer, USS Thomas Hudner, was part of a group of warships traveling through the Gulf of Hormuz. It arrived in the region several months ago, along with fifth-generation F-35 fighter jets. In addition to the USS Thomas Hudner, the maritime drone escorted several other vessels, in particular the Lewis and Clarc-class cargo ship USNS Amelia Earhart, the USCGC Charles Moulthrope-class cutter USCGC Sentinel, which belongs to the U.S. Coast Guard. Arabian Fox is a 13-meter L3Harris unmanned cutter capable of speeds of up to 72 km/h. The U.S. Navy first conducted it through the Strait of Hormuz in April this year. The drone, equipped with cameras and sensors, attracted the attention of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. But there were no provocations. L3Harris Arabian Fox can follow a set route and can independently evade obstacles. This feature allows it to move in close proximity to ships with crew.